Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, final shakeout leading to massive rally. So guys, let's get to it. Guys, right now we can see that this market is heating up big time, especially with all kinds of folks taking advantage of these recent dips. Well, I'll tell you what, when we saw big time volume in that last run in this space, a lot of these exchanges literally went down. The servers could not handle the traffic. And guys, it was back there in 2020 that Judy and I first signed up with our broker, Caleb and Brown. And guys, this is Caleb and Brown right here. Now, the thing with Caleb and Brown is they are a digital asset broker, just like a traditional broker. Only difference is you don't pay 1 cent to open up an account with Caleb and Brown. And on top of that, you get to speak with your assigned broker as many times as you like and not having one fee associated with it. The only time you pay a fee is when you buy and when you sell. In fact, you could literally get institutional grade custody and custody your assets with Caleb and Brown, where they use Fireblocks. And again, it doesn't cost you 1 penny. And guys, I'll tell you what, in every one of our videos, we have a link right down there to Caleb and Brown for you to sign up. And full transparency, they pay us a referral fee when you use that link. But guys, whether you use that link or not, you should be looking into Caleb and Brown and see if they are going to be a viable off-ramp for you when you really, really need one. So guys, right now, many of us have seen some major volatility in this space, and boy, the buying opportunities have been off the Richter scale. And a lot of folks have said, hey, listen, this is a big time shakeout. And boy, have we been seeing it in this space. Well, guys, there's folks out there saying this could be one of the last shakeouts we see before we get a massive, massive rally. Now, just check this article out right here. Ripple XRP final shakeout is a massive rally to 1689 on the horizon. Now just listen to this. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts believe the current period represents the final shakeout for XRP, with significant profit potential on the horizon. This sentiment comes as the Ripple SEC lawsuit approaches its final settlement. XRP is trading at the 43.6868 cents, up from a recent low of, get this guys, 39.11 cents. And I want to point this out. We had never seen prices that low since March of 2023. So it was a big time opportunity in my opinion. Its lowest in over a year. This price recovery has captured the attention of market watchers who are sharing historical charts showcasing XRP's explosive growth in 2014 and 2017. During these periods, XRP surged significantly, peaking at an all-time high of $3.84 in 2017. In fact, guys, it was actually 0.006 on January 4th, 2017, and to the day on January 4th, 2018, it hit $3.84. Now, can you imagine that? Being the person that fell into XRP, paid $6,000, and 1 year later, that $6,000 investment was worth $3.84 million. Guys, it absolutely happened. Now, think of this. During that time, XRP saw volatility like this, and it had moved up and all this and that, and it went from 0.006 into that 20-cent range. And of course, a lot of people sold right there and then. And then, guys, it just tinkered along and tried the patience of practically everyone who was in the space. And a lot of people capitulated. And guys, it went down like that, and then bang, Wow, what a rocket ship did it ever go on and blew the doors off of most percentage increases for many assets, almost every other asset in this space. It was truly amazing. Now, analysts have identified patterns in XRP price movements that resemble its historic performance. Guys, how much have we been hearing this from these TA guys that have been saying, look, what we have been watching has been mirroring these prior cycles, especially 2017, and we could literally be on the cusp of such a massive rally that if you were to sell now, you would miss out on probably some of the biggest gains that you may ever see in this space. Now, listen to this. The term final shakeout describes the current phase, where the price corrects significantly before a potential surge. A chart shared by crypto analyst Crypto Barbie on X illustrates a classic shakeouts pattern, indicating that selling XRP now could mean missing, an imminent surge. In the short term, analysts predict XRP could rally to $1.44. A breakout at this level might trigger a more aggressive bullish phase. In an optimistic scenario, Crypto Geek forecasts XRP could soar to $16.89. And guys, look at the post right here. And this is what they're saying. TA charts confirm final shakeout for XRP before surge to $16.89 per XRP. And guys, that could be life-changing for a lot of folks. I mean, when you think about that, and you see prices like this compared to where you're buying it at sub 50 cents now, and look what happened in these prior markets in 2014 to 2017, bang. And then you had 2017 into 2018, and guys, it just went crazy when it made this move. Massive, massive percentage gains. And look what we're doing now. And guys, it looks like history is about to repeat. Now, we know that people say, hey, it doesn't repeat, but boy, does it rhyme. And I'll tell you, this is a familiar song. And if we should see this in the next little bit, it is going to be absolutely amazing. Now, guys, something else on the horizon, literally. Now, just check this out right here. Bitstamp sees XRP in Moon is Robinhood listing coming. Now, this is July 9th, right here today, and I know this is being bandied about all over the interwebs, but listen to this. Bitstamp's moonshot post sparks optimism about a potential XRP listing on Robinhood following the plan to acquire the exchange. Let's listen here. Recently, Bitstamp, the world's longest running crypto exchange, stirred bullish interest in the XRP community by hinting at a moonshot for the asset. Specifically, the exchange shared a post of XRP on the moon, reliving optimism among the XRP army. And guys, here it is right there. And this is from Bitstamp. And look at that. They got the moon up there. And hey, we've all heard, hey, we're going to the moon. And I think that's what they're talking about now. Expectantly, the community has reacted with excitement, with some pondering whether a major announcement was around the corner that could facilitate the hinted moon rally. Ito Farina, of course, I meet up with Ito on Monday along with Verson and Vandal from Black Swan Capitalist, and we have the turning point. And guys, if you're really wanting to find out and get your pulse on what's happening in this space, you need to tune in to the turning point. It's broadcasted live at 12 p.m. every Monday on my channel, on Digital Outlook, on Black Swan Capitalist. Ito Farina posted. Guys, I'm telling you, a lot of great stuff is there. And so Ito comes up, and they got him down here, head of social adoption at XRP Healthcare, expressed the bullish sentiment that XRP heading for the moon is too conservative. The moon is too close. XRP is going to Saturn. And I love to say, hey, we're going to blow right past the moon and smash right through Jupiter. I'll tell you what. Meanwhile, the community commentator Chad Steingraber linked Bitstamp's XRP moon post to the recent announcement move by a prominent American exchange, Robinhood, to acquire Bitstamp. Steingraber cited a portion of the announcement stating that acquiring Bitstamp would enable Robinhood to expand its crypto business offering. Last year, major exchanges such as Coinbase, Bitstamp, Gemini, and Kraken reinstated XRP trading for U.S. users after a federal judge ruled that XRP is not a security. However, Robinhood, well known for its strict policies, maintained its distance from XRP. The judgment was insufficient for it to consider listing XRP. The exchange only provides real-time market data for XRP. Meanwhile, last month, Robinhood entered an agreement to take over Bitstamp in a deal set to finalize in early 2025. Well, doesn't that line up with a lot of the conjecture in this space in terms of when we could see some massive moves in the beginning of 2025. Once complete, the acquisition will integrate Bitstamp's crypto exchange operations into Robinhood's platform, allowing it to serve clients in the US, EU, UK, and Asia. A significant implication of Robinhood's acquisition of Bitstamp is that it could pave the way for XRP's listing on its crypto platform. Notably, Bitstamp has robust technical support for XRP Ledger, meaning Robinhood will inherit infrastructure to list XRP Ledger issued tokens like XRP. Guys, things are happening, and they're happening in this space fast. Now, one of the big deals, of course, is right here. Listen to this. Ripple on-chain activity spikes as XRP hovers around 43 cents. Well, guys, what do you think's going on? Well, I'll tell you what it is. We're seeing major accumulation from some big-time whales at these price points. Ripple active addresses, get this, climbed over 30% on Tuesday per Santander data. XRP traders await the end of SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. By the way, guys, expect it by July 31st. And wow, if Fred Rispoli, by the way, who is the one who has thrown that out there, if that happens, I'm telling you what, I think this thing is going to go literally crazy and fast and could potentially be the catalyst that sends the entirety of this crypto digital asset space on a massive bull run. Now, just listen to this right here. Ripple investors realized over 144 million losses in July. XRP hovers around 43 cents on Tuesday, adding nearly 1% value to the altcoin. Now, Ripple on-chain activity shows an increase in activity among XRP traders. The number of active traders increased on Tuesday, meaning XRP is gaining relevance among market participants. Now, guys, the deal is this. If you go through these articles and you read this, Ripple noted a 30% increase in active addresses in a single day to 22,256 on Tuesday, as seen on Santander. The rise in active address is indicative of an increase in the asset's relevance among traders and higher demand across exchange platforms. And guys, we saw when they say, hey, 144 million, do you know what they're talking about there? Guys, when this space literally collapsed, do you know how many people out there got absolutely liquidated on these exchanges? Because guys, they're long in it, they're leverage trading it, and this is one of the times I come out and I say you've got to be so careful to not be out there doing that, because the thing is this, you put it out there and you do those leverage longs, you could literally see your entire portfolio be evaporated just like that. And on top of that, those dips, as far as I'm concerned, were for buying and not for crying. Because have we lost one iota, pardon the pun, of any of the use case and fundamental deals when it comes to XRP? No, guys, we have not. In fact, the marketplace has only expanded, and big time. We are literally watching history repeat. We have been down this road before, and guys, you got all of this information, and you got all these TA guys coming out here saying, listen, we could see a massive move in XRP. And yep, we've just went through a shakeout. And by the way, if you were able to grab hold of more XRP, or you were able to hold on, then guys, I'll tell you what, you have just lived through one of the biggest and one of the most relevant things in this space. You got to have nerves of steel. And I'll tell you what, I genuinely believe that we are at a point where we could literally see this thing take off just like that. And boy, I'll tell you what, I've absolutely got my ticket. and Judy and I are ready to buckle into that rocket ship, riding this thing literally right through the atmosphere, way past the moon, and straight through Jupiter. So guys, one of the best decisions that Judy and I made in that last bull run is to get our plan in place before it absolutely took off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.